Let me show you how can you install ChatGPT mobile app, which is absolutely free for use, and how can you make use of it. First of all, you need to go to App Store. I'm using an iPhone. You'll be able to get similar option in Google Play Store also if you are using any of the Android devices. If you go to search and then you type ChatGPT and search, and you can see multiple different options are here. But you need to choose this one, ChatGPT, the official app by OpenAI. I already have it installed, that's why it's showing me open option. Install this particular app and then come to the next screen whenever it will be installed. Now let me open it from my mobile. Now you can see this is the interface first you will land in. Here there are very few options. It's a very clean type of app which is very easy to use, but let me show you those few options whatever available. First of all, on the top of this particular app, you will be able to see two options, that is ChatGPT 4 and 3.5. If you are using a free plan, then you will be only able to see ChatGPT 3.5. Currently, I have a paid plan, that's why I'm getting an option of GPT-4. So which LLM model you are going to use, that you can choose from here. Now next is, if you want to start a new chat, you just need to tap on this new icon and then a new chat will get open. And if you see here, there are multiple different ready-made prompts are already available. You can tap on any of them and you can start using it. Like if I tap on this option, write an email, what it will do, it will generate another prompt for you. You can see that you just tapped on write an email, but in the back end it generated one prompt for you. What you can do, if you are not happy with this thing, and you can then edit this particular prompt and you can also ask the question. Now let me show you few other options. On top left part of this particular screen, you will be able to see there are multiple different histories. What are the way I use ChatGPT? All those histories are available here, so I can just click on any of them and start using it. What are the recent custom GPTs I used? Those are also listed here. If you have a paid plan, you will be also getting this option of explore GPTs. So if I come back and then I go to one option here, the search. If you want to search anything, maybe a previous prompt, whatever you used, you can also search it from here. In the down, you can see that your profile picture is there along with the name. There are three dots. There you will be able to see multiple different options. First one is the email. Using the which email ID you have subscribed to ChatGPT, that will be available. Second one is the subscription. Currently I'm using ChatGPT Plus, that's visible here. In case you are not able to see your subscriptions, you can tap on this restore purchases and it will restore your subscriptions. Data control is one thing. If you want to share your data for further training, you can keep it on or you can turn it off also. I'll keep it on for now. And then archive chats. If you have archived any chat in past, so those should be visible here. Now, if I talk about the custom instructions, earlier I published another video on this particular topic. How can you train ChatGPT for yourself? So here also you can use in the similar way. These are custom instructions. You can instruct ChatGPT about yourself, what you are looking for, what you do, and what type of responses normally you prefer. All those things you will be able to do it here. If you want to know more about custom instructions, check the video. I will add the link in the description below. Now, after custom instructions, there are only two controls here, that is color scheme. You can use the system one or you can use a dark or light theme. If I just tap on the dark theme, it will change the color to dark. This is a normal thing. And haptic feedback, if you are using any specific iPhone which supports haptic response, that you can turn on or off. Major thing is speech option. So if you see that there is one option, that is voice and main language. I recorded another video specifically on voice assistance of ChatGPT. So you can watch that particular video. There I covered the voice assistant part, but here let me show you what you can do. You can just choose one of the voice here. There are 5 options available. You can choose any one from them. And after that, there is one option, that main language, that normally it can detect your language, but you can also choose that which language you normally speak, so that it will not auto detect, it will directly understand this is that language. So I have selected English for now, so you can choose your language accordingly. So these are the settings available within ChatGPT. Now let me show you few more options here which is available in this particular app. First one is the camera, and this is very important one. So let me show you this particular option and how can it be used. Let me tap this camera option here and it will open the camera, and let me take a photo of this remote. I'm using one Godox SL60 light. This is the remote of that particular light. And what I can do, I can tap on next and then I can ask what is this and from where can I buy this product. And if I ask that question, let's see how it comes up with. Can it detect the image and how it is? Okay, this is a Godox RCA5 remote control, which is typically used for the controlling light equipments in photography. So you can see that it could detect that what it is, and it gave me that particular model number. You can use this particular feature also to understand in case you are looking for certain item and you don't know what it is and from where it to buy, you can use this particular feature. This will have multiple different use cases, so your imagination will be the limit. You can check this particular option also. This is very, very helpful. Now the next option is you can tap on this particular icon, that is photo. What it will do, it will open your iPhone photo library, and from there also you can ask multiple things. If you have a specific photo which you want to share, and if you want to ask any question, that also can be done. So these are the main options available within ChatGPT mobile app. The final thing is, while we have this headphone icon using which you can use it as an AI assistant, you can also give a voice prompt using the microphone button here. So this is all about it about ChatGPT mobile app. This is very useful actually if you want to use it whenever you are busy, you are on the go, and you want to ask something, then this app can really help you. I recorded another video where I covered Microsoft Copilot mobile app, and that particular app has an additional feature available. Check out that video to know more. Hopefully it will be helpful.